Hey guys, welcome to virtual learning. Hope everybody's doing all right. Hope you guys have been staying sane, not getting into too much drama with your siblings, parents, etc. Thank you for about the 7 people that filled out the survey. I will put up a practice SAT test. For those that want to do it, it'll be bonus optional. It will be timed, so this will help you. I can put this in Moodle, make it timed for you to get you since that pacing. But let's just jump into it. Don't waste your time. So virtual learning, first off, is like, please try to do the assignments, submit stuff, turn stuff in. The more we can show a body of evidence of us doing work from home, the probability of us having to make this up in the summer goes down, in my opinion. So Ms. LaFaro is saying that. I'm sure other teachers are saying that. The more work you guys produce, the more better chance of us not having to come back in the summer. Let's just be real. This sucks for everybody. Not an ideal situation. So kind of keep that in mind. All right, so I'm going to jump right into it. So this isn't like a super long YouTube video. Nobody wants that. So first thing you can do, guys, you can subscribe to my channel. I have a measly 6 subscribers. I don't care about this. This is for you. The playlist you guys want to check out is called Virtual Learning. It's specifically only for you guys. I'll be adding other content to it as it goes on. So that's that. So this is where I'll be putting everything on my YouTube channel. Obviously, I'll be running stuff through my website, dsmithscience.com. And then here's my website link right here. So if I go to my website here, so before we left for the break, we were closing in, we were getting ready to take a quiz over shadows, light, mirrors, curved or plane or straight, right? So on my website, no longer moving forward will you ever have to do warm-ups anymore. I'm just taking those out, okay? But the equation page, if you need an equation page once we move forward, yes, you will need that as well. So, and also what I'll do every week by Monday, so I'm going to click on the student resources. We're still going to go to the student resources page. I know you guys can't see. I got to copy and paste it up here real quick. So going to the student research page, wait for this. Everything that's highlighted are things that you're going to be responsible for the weekly quiz. So the quiz I'm going to give to you guys will be on Moodle. It will not have levels. I can't do it because I don't have papers to pass out to you. It will be timed. It will be on Moodle. So my recommendation is that these are the notes we've already learned. Refresh, read through those again, see if you can find those. It'd be really good for you on your test if you can find your notes, right? Look through the study guide. And then this is a good resource as well, the Lenses and Mirror. So if I click on this, you guys, it'll take me a second to do this real quick. Bear with me. Oh, also while we're waiting for this to load, only one person emailed me. In the Malcolm X book, penumbra was used. Penumbra. Yeah, Mr. Smith stays annotating. That's right. So I've been reading this book, Malcolm X. It's very interesting. It's kind of cool you guys are getting to read that. I was not expecting. Yeah, I'm at the part where you just got arrested. So if you haven't read it, if you're not into it, it gets really interesting very quickly. I thought there was a couple dry chapter, but here and there, but it's really picked up for me personally. Anyway, so what I did on this, I clicked at lenses. We're going to learn next. You have a lens in your eyeball. We're going to learn how this works when we're near and far-sighted and all that good stuff. So that we click on mirror. That's a concave mirror, convex mirror now. Concave, convex, concave, convex. All right. Don't you guys miss me? So other things, let's go ahead and jump into Moodle. Like I said previously, this is the 4th time making this video, so I don't really know what I've said thus far. It all blurs together. Watching yourself's the worst on video. So you won't see this anymore. I've hidden all the homework for you. Your practices, I'm not doing those anymore. I'm just going to do knowledge checks. So knowledge check 5 is going to be due by Friday. So I have this done before Friday. And if you don't understand stuff, ask me questions sooner than later. Mr. Smith, I don't understand this. Mr. Smith, you made an error here. Mr. Smith, blah, 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 blah. Email me. My email can be found on my website. And we can set up a meeting too. It's a Google Meets. It's basically like this, but I can see you can see me, we can chat like this. So I'm going to do that for if you don't understand something, right? So my recommendation, if you don't understand something immediately, right? So do the knowledge check. You can do the knowledge check this time as many times as you want. So if you don't understand something, I'd write down the question, and then maybe you email me, and then we can chat or something. Also, the test on Friday that you're going to take is going to be down here, and it's going to be timed. And knowledge check 5 will be hidden by once I put up the test for Friday. Does that make sense? So, my recommendation is to have all your notes organized, have all your stuff kind of compiled in a centralized location. Give yourself enough time. Look and see how much time for the test. Is it a 50-minute test? Is it a 35-minute test? So seeing how many minutes I gave you, right? And then based on that, sit down and give yourself time to do that assessment. So yeah, so just kind of keep that in mind. If you don't understand something, please ask. All that good stuff. What am I forgetting? I think that's pretty much it. I think I talked about the student resources page. But to be honest with you, this is the 4th time in a row doing it. So these are the books I'm reading. I'm reading obviously reading the Malcolm X book. I'm going to read this book, a repair kit for grading, 15 fixes for broken practices. I'm going to read parts of this, healthy sleep habits. Even though Cody, we're pretty lucky, he sleeps really well. Other things I'm reading right now is, go to my website real fast. I'm finally updating this more often. I've read this book, Framework for Understanding Poverty. It's pretty interesting, and this is very interesting. They'll talk about white trash, the 400-year untold history of class in America. Pretty interesting stuff. So, like I said, guys, email me if you have questions. I hope this makes sense. Yeah, because I can't do that. I can't do a 5th take on this. I think I'm done. So stay safe out there. Email me with questions. If you need something, like things are really rough in your house, you're having trouble with food, this or that, please email me and let's talk. So yeah, hope you guys are good. Take care.